Good morning, friends. I am Air Commodore K.C. Kuruvilla, Veer Chakra. For 35 years, I flew fighter aircraft for the Indian Air Force, and I was an air warrior. In 1962, as a cadet, I witnessed the invasion of Northeast India by the Chinese. In 1965, I was very much in service as a cadet with the Indian Air Force, and I witnessed the 1965 hostilities with Pakistan, in which we as cadets participated by doing armed guard duties by day and night. But in 1971, I was a fully operational pilot and I fought that war on Sukhois and earned myself a Veer Chakra. I was also a prisoner of war for 1 year in Pakistan. But I continued to fly fighters even after my return. And I continued to be an air warrior and accepted all the challenges that were needed to remain a good air warrior. Today, at the age of 76, I've taken it upon myself to become a COVID warrior. This virus has gone pandemic, it is widespread, and I want to set an example and encourage as many people around me to become COVID warriors so that we kill this virus before it kills us. To be a COVID warrior, you just need to follow some basic rules. In fact, just 3 important rules are to be followed. The first is that you must get yourself a mask that fits snugly on your face, covering your nose and your mouth. And wear this mask at all times after you leave your house and when you enter the home. That is the only time that you should be taking it off. The second thing that you need to do is to maintain a physical distance of a little over 6 feet. I don't like to use the word social distance or social distancing because we are a very social community. It is very much a part of our culture to be meeting people, greeting people, saying hello. But we can do all of that by maintaining a safe distance, which is what is required to keep this virus from infecting somebody else or getting infected yourself. And the third thing that you need to do is to keep your hands clean at all times. Wash your hands with soap, carry a hand sanitizer everywhere that you go outside your home, and refrain from touching surfaces that could be infected. These are the only 3 things that you need to remember. And if you do it well, and if each of us inculcate a certain self-discipline and become COVID warriors, we will defeat this virus even before we get a vaccination. So, friends, please pay attention. The government has put out several aspects covering COVID rules, but the 3 basic things that I have told you will keep you safe, it will keep others safe, and we will defeat this warrior, this pandemic warrior called COVID-19. We must defeat the virus at all costs, and I urge you all to please follow these basic rules. Thank you. Jai Hind.